Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely top of the range, good looking Ford Kuga. It's the 2-litre diesel, all-wheel drive, ST line. Absolutely amazing condition for its age and mileage, you wouldn't tell. Got a host of extras. It's got really everything you want. It's got front park distance control, ST line body styling with the black pack, gloss black alloy wheels, privacy glass, rear park distance control, tow bar can come off. We've left that on just in case anyone wants one, because we know how expensive they are to fit. Boot area is in lovely condition, and there's some carpet mats there as well to match. Nice little ST line rear diffuser, finished in black with a twin exhaust. It's an electric tailgate, all works and performs as it should. Just take you inside the car. All cars are pictured and videoed outside, but are viewed inside our indoor showroom. As you can see, it's got the lovely ST line half leather Alcantara interior, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric driver's seat, tilt and slide panoramic roof, very rare option, auto headlights, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. It's done 109,097 miles. Got Sync 3 on it as well. Heated steering wheel, heated seats, 6-speed gearbox, nice armrest here with two USBs. We've got satellite navigation, just loading up the map there. Like I say, tilt slide sunroof with a blind. It really does have everything. Got Parktronic on here as well. Satellite navigation, reverse camera. Let's get back to the home button there. You see Bluetooth as well. Audio, media pack. Sounds lovely. It's a very rare car. This won't be lasting long. At DJH, or full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.